It's time to go to the best place ever. Once we're there, we can stay forever. All your buddies can play there. Everyone wants to stay there. Singing and dancing is fun together. Working under the sun together. Always fun things to do there. The world is waiting for you there. For you. With your playtime buddies, they've come to play with you. With your playtime buddies, that's what buddies do. It's fun to dance to the beat together. Lunch is better when we eat together. Everything is such fun now. Dancing under the sun now. New adventure is such a pleasure. Under the sea, find a pirate treasure. Nothing that you can't do now. The world is waiting for you now. For you now. With your playtime buddies, they've come to play with you. With your playtime buddies, that's what buddies do.
Sweetie Pie, guess what? It finally stopped raining. The sun's out and I saw a rainbow.
Thank goodness it stopped raining.
And the best part is it's Saturday. We can do anything we want.
I have an idea. Let's go horseback riding with Cowboy and Cowgirl Buddy.
Ha! Giddy up! Let's ride some horses!
Yeehaw! Can you take us horseback riding?
We'd love to, except today, Cowgirl Buddy and I are on a cattle drive.
We have to lead the cows away from their pasture here and get them back home to the farm.
What are you talking about? It's Saturday. That's a fun day, not a work day.
Lots of buddies work on Saturday, and we promised Mr. and Mrs. Farmer we would get their cows home today. We have a responsibility to get them there because we promised.
Okay.
It's important to complete a job when people are relying on you. That's what being responsible means. I hope you're not too disappointed that we have to work on a Saturday.
That's okay. Sweetie Pie and I can always do something else. We can draw using paint. Yeah. Or we can play baseball. Or we can go fishing. So many choices.
Best Buddy, I have a better idea. Why don't we help the cowboys on their cattle drive? That way we can still ride horses and help them out, too.
You're right, Sweetie Pie. Cattle drives are fun. And offering a helping hand is what buddies do.
Well, come on, then. We can always use more hands.
Come on, hop on, partner.
And you can ride with me, little missy. Ha!
Yeehaw! Get along, little cows! Hee-haw! Mosey on now! Ha-ha!
Look over there, Best Buddy. The construction buddies are working today building that new hospital.
I guess they also have to work on Saturdays.
It was raining for 2 whole days. I reckon they have a responsibility to get back on schedule so they finish the building when they promised to.
Hi! Hey, hi!
Hi! Hi! How you doing?
You know, Cowboy Buddy, not for nothing, but I wish they could be out having fun like we are.
Oh, Best Buddy, the construction buddies are having fun. You know how they love building things. Right over this ridge is Easy Cross Stream. It's easy to cross. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh!
Wowie kazowie! Is this stream shallow?
All that rain turned the stream to a river.
The cows can't cross it without swimming.
And cows aren't good swimmers, are they?
What will we do now? I'm sure the cows want to get home.
Oh dear, if only there was a bridge we could cross. I know who can help with that. I don't know, Sweetie Pie. They look awful busy. I don't want to bother them. We'll never know unless we ask. Can't hurt, right? Hello, construction worker buddy. We need to cross our cows over the river and back to the farm. We reckoned a bridge might come in right handy, but we can see you're all real busy.
You want us to help you build a bridge? Sure, I think we can help you do that. No problem.
Build a bridge?
Wow.
Build a bridge? What a great idea. I need to do it. How you gonna do it? Was it your idea?
And as luck would have it, we're all finished for the day. So, who wants to build that bridge?
That's what I'm talking about, building a bridge. I want to be a part of it. Count me in. I want to build it too.
When you're starting a project, it's important to have a good, solid plan.
But why do we need a plan, Mr. Builder? Just start building.
If you don't have a plan, you won't know what you'll need to build your project. And then you might wind up not getting all the right materials. Or you may not do things in the right order. And you know what happens then? You end up with an outcome you weren't quite expecting.
You could wind up making an unsafe bridge?
That's right, Sweetie Pie. And that would be really bad.
I guess that makes sense. But why are you taking pictures then?
This only looks like a camera, but it's really a machine for measuring distance. Measuring is an important part of a construction plan. And that worker over there is using that flag to help me measure the distance. And now we'll draw a blueprint, so we know what the bridge will look like and how to build it. Yeah.
Oh, I get it now. So having a plan gives you directions to follow. You know, like when you're building a model airplane.
Exactly.
Or following a recipe when you're making a cake.
Let's see. Lumber, nails, nuts, check. Bolts, check. Let's see.
What do you have there?
A list of the materials. Knowing what you need is an important part of any building project.
I never would have thought that building a bridge was so complicated.
When you're making a bridge, you gotta keep one important thing in mind. You have a responsibility to keep it sturdy and safe. Now let's see what else. Crane, hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers.
I get it. Those must be the tools you need to build, right?
Exactly. And now that we're really sure what we need,
Here's the lumber.
and now that we have the materials and equipment, we can start building. Here, put these on.
Okay.
Listen, you guys, when you're working on a project, safety always comes first. That's why we always wear protective goggles.
Wow, they're measuring carefully. I wish we could help cut those wooden boards.
Me too. But we have to keep a safe distance from equipment that might be dangerous.
It's always best to leave this kind of work to trained professionals that have lots of experience.
Oh,
Not a bad bit of bridge building, if I do say so myself. What do you think? I'm pretty pleased. And you?
It's amazing what you can do when you work together as a team.
especially when you're following a good solid plan start to finish.
As I always say, working together is what buddies do best. Sweetie Pie, would you like to do the honors?
Would I? I now declare this bridge to be open for bridgeness. That's it. Get along, little cows.
Now we can call this the new easily crossed river bridge.
That's too long. Let's just call it a job well done.
Thanks, buddies. We sure are thankful to have our cows back home safe and sound. And it sounds like Piggy is happy to have them home, too.
Huh? Oh. Vittles for everyone! Yeah!
Yum.
Thank you, ma'am. Herding cows sure brings up a man's thirst.
And certainly building bridges gives one a hearty appetite.
Thanks for really helping us out to get the cows home safe.
It was our pleasure and a lot of fun.
It was so much fun helping them bring the cows home.
And help build a bridge. And to top it all off, we get to have some delicious cake. Thanks, Mrs. Farmer.
It's wonderful not only building bridges, but bringing folks together. I think of all the things buddies do, bringing friends together is what buddies do best. Here's to buddies!
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's drink to our buddies and Mrs. Farmer.
Playtime Buddies! Playtime Buddies! Playtime
We are friends, we are buddies, running to joyful emotion. We like the sun, the moon, the stars, the rain, the fog and mist. We love the life, community life so sweet and really very amazing. Librarians, nurses, and good firemen, policemen, organized, investigator, authorities, in more than 100 very special days. Happily together play here and there. We are always happy to get a new friendship and spend with everybody many delicious days. Sweet pie and best buddy are still ready to make everybody happy.